everybody, welcome to DayStar. You don't often get a chance to say hi over here at the facility, but we're going to give you an inside look at how it works behind the curtain. Okay guys, this is a real neat thing. This is our Lab Master. It's a double-sided polisher. It has a top plate and a bottom plate that it pinches our glass between, and that will help us polish it to an optical flat figure. As you can see, the optics can spin around, and then the top plate can lower down and spin in addition, counter-rotating. Okay, this is our interferometer, and we call this Aladdin because he lives on a flying carpet with the gas shocks on our table, and he will show you a whole new world. As you can see on the screen, we have the fringes of an optical flat, and then we put our sample in. Now we can see the surface figure of that optical flat. Okay, here's our coating machine. We don't have time to show you how it actually powers up in all the vacuum, but you can see we have a giant coating chamber, and it comes down to a vacuum inside, and we put our optics on these planets, who then spin around and rotate while we emit a beam of chemistry up onto them. Hi there, this is Ringo, say hi Ringo, our big spectrometer. It's a 1.6 meter. And so we have a light source here that is shined through the various optics into the spectrometer, and it comes out with this camera, and the camera will show us what's going on the screen with special software we've written. And now if we take our Avalon crystal that we made here at DayStar and we put it in the light path, you can see on the screen that he has a transmission peak. And this one is 0.58 angstroms wide. Alright, so this is a pick and place machine, and for those who don't know what that is, this allows us to make the little green boards that go inside the electronics. We actually make those here. And what these are reels with tapes on them, and they have thousands of teeny tiny little resistor parts. And so we take a board, a little green board that we have manufactured, and we stencil the solder on, and we feed it into the side, and all of the little machine fingers go and feed on, mechanically place the teeny tiny little pieces of pepper. We call them pepper because they're just that tiny, itty bitty little pieces. And then when it comes out the other side, out over here, and it's got all of the parts on it, and it's ready to go in the oven and set up that solder to go on to the next step.
Hi, this is Fred Brunges, co-owner of DayStar. I'm going to show you how we turn this raw aluminum into a finished front half of a 60mm solar telescope.
Okay, this is one of our many lasers that we use, and this one we use for etching the anodizing to make markings on the piece. And this guy is going to ultimately go on one of our 60mm telescopes. So we're just going to